Hello everyone, my name is Megha Bindal and I am currently working under Vijay Social Welfare Society as a law intern. In this video, I am going to talk about Vijay Social Welfare Society's cause and my experience with this organization. So, Vijay Social Welfare Society is a non-governmental organization which was registered in the year 2017. The main focus of this organization lies on educating underprivileged women and children and in helping them to develop a sense of responsibility and respect towards themselves as well as the society. VSWS runs various literacy programs and workshops on topics like health and hygiene, moral values, self defense, English speaking skills, and also career counseling sessions, which help these people evolve into literate and educated adults. Also, sessions on laws and rights are conducted by our teams so that women can be empowered and they realize their strength and position in the society. Apart from all these, Vijay Social Welfare Society also works for the preservation of environment. Through various awareness campaigns and plantation drives, VSWS contributes its part towards the society. These are all the such small steps which are taken by VSWS to help the society grow and also to uplift the barriers of problems like illiteracy, malnutrition, and poverty. When joined this organization, I was welcomed as if I was a part of this organization only. My mistakes were very softly corrected and I was given a very friendly environment. Even though my coordinators always were ready to clarify any of my doubts and I was appreciated for each of my work. So, given this corona pandemic situation, VSWS has been running a campaign where we are promoting people to donate and distribute cloth masks to those who are in need. We have a goal of donating at least 2 lakh cloth masks to people, and fortunately, we have succeeded in donating more than 50,000 cloth masks to people till date. See, these cloth masks are very safe for the environment and as well as they are reusable. So, it is my request to all of you that you can also donate these masks to people if you see them anywhere, those who are in need. You can also donate to us and contribute to us so that we can fulfill these dream and goal of ours. When you are donating and contributing to us, you are not actually contributing to us, you are contributing to the society, as our organization is a non-profitable organization and whatever comes to us always goes towards the help of the weaker sections of the society. So it is my request to take such small steps and contact us and also connect with us. A small step taken by you can change lives and help many. So let's do good. Thank you.
Saloni Jain, and I'm right now working at Vijay Social Welfare Society as a digital marketing intern. Firstly, I just want to tell you something about Vijay Social Welfare Society. Vijay Social Welfare Society is a non-profit organization which aims to educate underprivileged children and so that they can develop a bright future for themselves. Many children are forced into child labor, but Vijay Social Welfare Society just ensures that they are not forced into any kind of bad acts like this and just receive the right amount of education which they need in their life. Also, they aims at that every student should learn basic manners, they should receive necessary skills which they need in their life. And because of that, Vijay Social Welfare Society has made 100 children just study in private school just because of the sponsor. Apart from that, also they believe in uplifting women empowerment, which is very, very, very important in today's world. Also, they just find various ways just to uplift, just to make environment better for us, and just do good, which is their vision and also their mission. Just let's do good. I think there's nothing harm in this doing good because everyone just needs to do good. Right now, which is Social Welfare Society is aiming at just which is a very big issue. It's COVID-19, and they're just providing free masks to the people who don't have it and they can't afford it. I don't think they can do better than this because they're just amazing as they're providing free masks, and that's initiative is called Mask for Each initiative. Just because of that, many people have gone masks and they are safe just because of them. And I think there's nothing harm to that. We just join them in this movement. Apart from that, they have already done many campaigns like distribution of toys, polio campaign, and environmental campaign, many things. It just this never the list never ends. I just want to tell you, please join hands with Vijay Social Welfare Society and donate, and just join hands with them. And I'm proud to say that I'm a part of Vijay Social Welfare Society, and I'm looking forward to work with them again and again and again. I just request you to please join hands with Vijay Social Welfare Society and just do good. Let's do good now.
Hi, I'm Kiranma and I'm part of the Vijay Social Welfare Society. So today I would like to share my experience on working with them. But before that, I would like to say something about this organization. So the Vijay Social Welfare Society is located in Madhya Pradesh. It is an organization which does not focus on one single cause, but it focuses on the overall development of the society, which is the best part about it. They've had many successful projects like the Vijay Nanhi Udan, which was for education. And not only education, this organization also helps in tracking their progress, attendance, and various stuff. And coming to the next project, it was Vijay Sankalp. It was about teaching manners, etiquette, social responsibility, empowering women, telling them about their rights, which is like one of the most innovative thoughts any NGO has ever come across, because people would only be concerned about like getting them educated, providing basic necessities, but as moral values and social responsibilities and manners also take an equally important stand. This was very thoughtful of them. So the next projects were Vijay Nirog and regarding healthcare, and the Vijay Prithvi was about the environment. So as I mentioned, it is an overall development of the society. To my mentors, Madhuri and Madhavi ma'am, they were absolutely amazing. They're the best mentors I could ever ask for. Their constructive criticism has always helped me, and they would never leave a chance to like praise me for the smallest and slightest thing, which is really good for uplifting and intern spirits. So thank you so much, ma'am. And Vijay Social Welfare Society has not taken a step back even during this pandemic time. They've always been working something or the other, like distributing masks and stuff. So please donate to such organizations, because we have been working really hard. So finally, I have only one message: let's do good. Let's do something good for the society and contribute our existence into something valuable.